When we first introduced the neural network training process, we talked about how when we calculated the gradients for the loss with respect to each of the weights in the network, that we would multiply the gradient by a value called the learning rate. And at that time, we just stated that the learning rate was a fractional value between 0 and 1 that we could think of as just a parameter that influenced how quickly the network trained. Now, here we have the training process summarized, where we first do a forward pass of the data to the network, then obtain the output or the predictions from the network, measure the loss between the network's outputs and the true labels, and then we complete a backwards pass to obtain these gradients here. And on our fifth and final step of the training process, we update the network weights with those gradients, and we do that in order to step towards the minimized loss. So it's during this fifth step when we do the weight update where we are actually introducing the learning rate by multiplying this learning rate by the gradient here. And the path of reaching this minimized loss occurs over several steps of iteratively updating the weight values. Intuitively, we can think about the size of these steps as being influenced by the learning rate, or we can think of the learning rate as the step size of the optimization algorithm.